Yan na siya kikitan.
Malangan.
Ano lang kay Mat?
Yan na siya kikitan.
What is underwater?
Kaya sa unang ganda, kikitan na kayo. Dapat matuhog siya.
I saw fish on the camera. I saw fish every day.
What fish is that? What color is the fish?
Black,
Black and
orange, red.
very good. How about the plants? What color is the plants?
It's green,
Very good. How about the shell? What's the color of the shell?
pink,
Pink. Very good. And what else? How about the stone? What color is the stone?
green. I love the sky.
Antay kay Mat. Ay, paglihok. Ay, paglihok kaya. Kay Mat, ay paglihok.
Ayaw buwan. Ayaw lagi kapirot.